Hey everyone, welcome back. Analyst Jaipur reports that all four iPhone 17 models launching later this year will feature an upgraded 24 megapixel front-facing camera. In a research note with GF Securities, who shared a chat confirming that the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max will each come equipped with a 24 megapixel front camera. This marks a significant upgrade from the 12 megapixel front cameras found on all four iPhone 16 models. Renowned analyst Ming Chico previously suggested that at least one iPhone 17 model would feature a 24 megapixel front camera, further supporting the rumor. Ku believes that this enhancement will significantly improve image quality. With a higher resolution, users can crop photos more extensively while maintaining clarity, offering greater flexibility in post-processing. Ku also reiterated other key upgrades expected for the iPhone 17 lineup, including an increase to 12 GB of RAM and a 48 megapixel telephoto camera for the Pro and the Pro Max models. Additionally, he predicts that the A19 and the A19 Pro chips will be built on TSMC's advanced third generation 3nm process known as N3P. Apple is expected to unveil all four iPhone 17 models in September. And that's all for now. If these rumors hold true, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be a major upgrade, especially for selfie enthusiasts. Now, what are your thoughts on the 24 megapixel front camera? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. See you in the next one.